Create your own private server on Roblox Mobile. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Now, find the game you want to create a private server for. I'll choose Catalog Avatar Creator, but you can pick any game you like. Once you're on the game page, look at the bottom towards left of the play button. You'll notice an icon showing multiple users. Tap on it. Here, you'll see the option Create Private Server. Tap on it. Now, give your private server a name, something easy to recognize. After that, press Buy Now. Don't worry, in most cases, it's free. Next, tap on the three dots, and then click on Configure. Make sure the Allow Joining is turned on. Scroll down, and you can add people by entering their usernames. Next, go back to the previous page and click on Join to start the game. And that's it. Follow and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.